Hello guys, welcome to Technical Tricks channel. Today we will learn about how to use a smartphone to find your parked car. Do you, do you always have trouble remembering where exactly you have parked your car inside a shopping complex? Google Map can help you remember your parked car location and also navigate you to it. Using map you can map the pin location of your car. So let's jump into the steps. First of all, go to the maps, open maps, then turn on your location. I have already turned on location, then click on the blue dot button. Here you see the live location. Click, click on it, then click on save your parking, and here is the detail of your self parking. You can always write notes, or you can easily write your parking number over here. You can easily add the photos surrounding to it. After that, after that, go to your places, your top pin. This is the parking location. Click into it, and you can see the direction towards your self park. That's all for today. Thank you so much. If you like the video, do subscribe. Goodbye.